So you sent the dispute letter, your negative items came back as verified, and now you have no idea what to do. That's okay, because I have 3 things that you can do to get faster results and send out a maximized dispute letter, starting with number 3. You need to write a consumer authentic dispute backing everything that you're saying with the facts from your credit report. Now, if you went online and you searched dispute letter for removing a charge off and you sent out that letter, that was your first mistake. Number 2 is getting your information from the right place. I only use Smart Credit and Identity IQ, and those links are down in the description. You see all 3 bureaus side by side, and it gives you all of the information, the dates and the balances that you could use to remove your negative items. Now, number 1 is the most important. When you are writing your dispute letter, you need to, just as I mentioned in number 3, support your arguments with the facts, but it goes a little bit further than this. There's a very simple structure that we're going to use to remove anything. I don't care what you have. Take the information from your credit report, Smart Credit or Identity IQ, and put it into this format. Delete this account, this inquiry, this bankruptcy, this charge off for inaccuracy or violation because, and then you're going to support it with the facts. The balances report these 3 different balances. The date last paid reports these 3 different dates. Whatever you are saying, you need to have the ability to support that argument. And I promise you, if you do these 3 things, you will get faster results. And you can always subscribe to learn how to increase your credit score. And I have 100 other videos showing you exactly how to do this. And of course, you can schedule a call with me at my740.com if you want to see if I can do this for you.